Guys, welcome back. A little snowy out today. Here at the shop we have some gravel here. You can't see. We're gonna pour a concrete pad, but it is cold out, so I figured I'll show you by request the wood burner. So this is a barrel stove. A little fire going in there. I'm gonna get way back. So this is a kit. You can buy this. I found one online to show you. There's an air vent, and it's pretty much you just take a 55-gallon drum and you drill a hole for it here on the top, and you drill a hole for the door, and then it comes with these legs too. Put the legs on there, and then you've got a wood burner. Now, I didn't build this one. I bought it from a guy here in town, and I had this heat exchanger. I just found it around in Dad's shop, and then also I've added these blower fans. There's one there, and there's one here that blows the heat off of the device. And then I got the pipe, and it's not connected, but it just goes to this this dome here. Now there's a power vent up there that actually draws the heat and the smoke out of the building. So anyway, let me show you. You can find this kit, a barrel stove kit, for $44.99. This is at Home Depot, but they sell it at other places as well. Anyway, it's kept me warm. I'm pretty happy with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.